We are trying to figure out if we have a triangle, a right triangle. And we're given these three ordered pairs, A, B, and C. And I graphed those over here just for a visual. That's point A, I'm drawing in green now. This is point B, and that's point C. Okay? And then the legs of the triangle are AB and BC, and the hypotenuse is AC. So what I did here is I found the length of line segment AB by using the distance formula. So the distance formula is the difference in your x's squared plus the differences in your y squared, and you take the square root of that. So negative 6 minus 1 is here, plus difference in your y's. Negative 6 minus a negative 3 is plus 3. And I simplified that and got square root 58. So there's that distance there, square root 58. And then I found the difference between B and C. And that's difference in your y, difference in your x's plus the difference in your y's. And that was 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 squared, and then negative 3 minus 1, and that gave me a 4. And then I found the distance between A and C, which looks like that would be the hypotenuse if it is a right triangle, because that's the longest side. And that was negative 6 minus 1 minus 6 minus 1, and that gave me square root 98. So does this look familiar? A squared plus B squared equals C squared. That's Pythagorean theorem. Side squared plus side squared equals C. So I took a side, which is square root 58, plus another side, which was 4, equals hypotenuse squared, square root 98 squared. And I got 74 not equal to 98, therefore not a right triangle.